Thank you for checking out my one-page wonder video. I'm going to take you through a quick run-through of the project as quickly as I can anyways, and what I'm going to demonstrate is how you can quickly build sexy Meteor-based, Bootstrap-friendly, jQuery-friendly websites, one-page scrollers, quick and simple, get your clients up and running with a sexy website they feel is interactive and gets the job done and can collect some contact information and present their business or whatever. So I needed a way to generate some quick income and make websites really fast because I've been working on my other project, Meteor Press, which is a full-blown content management system. And so my goal with this was to make the simplest, fastest tool that I could use to produce profitable websites. And I think you'll agree that it actually turns out pretty well. Now you can see that we have some default content in there. None of these links probably work yet. It tells you right here how to use the system in a nutshell. I'm going to take you through how to do that. If you hover over the login icon, you can go ahead and the first user who registers themselves, I'll go ahead and get rid of that for now. I don't type as well when I'm doing screencasts, but we'll go ahead and create an account. It logs us right in, and you can see we have an icon right here to go ahead and edit. And I can say change the content of my home row there. And hit the save button, and boom, now that would instantly update on all the clients that were currently connected, because of course this is running in Meteor. And so if you wanted to, you could instantly just jump into the code over here and program in some quick plug-in features, add additional hooks to the rendered things or whatever. It's really modifiable because I'm trying to keep the code base very simple. You can see that we have no pages, so this could actually just be one single page. You can have your little contact form here and you don't have to scroll anywhere or do anything. However, if we go ahead and add a page to it, I'm going to go ahead and I'll leave that for another second. This is the Meteor Press markdown bar actually, but that's going to be a bootstrap component toolbar, so I can quickly click on that and insert like a carousel or whatever. And go find what I'm looking for. Alright, so what I've got is a couple of free bootstrap templates loaded up. I'm just going to inspect the thing and get it over here where I'm used to it. Okay, and we're going to go up and find the section and the container and then copy the inner HTML, and I'll just paste that right in there and hit Control Enter to save that. And now I've got page 1 right there. I've apparently developed a little bug because normally when you save a content section it'll scroll right to it, but there's a binding issue. I was working on my template, so we'll go ahead and refresh. Now you can see I've scrolled down here and I've got my nice, maybe doesn't fit with this theme super well, but I could inspect my element, and if I just wanted to, say, adjust the font size and then save that in my CSS file, or however I want to override it, I can change that. All these can change. I know my one-page wonder bootstrap theme isn't all that just yet, but let's focus on features. We'll do section 2, and you tab out of here or hit return and it'll save that automatically. We'll go back over here and pick another one, inspect this element, find the parent section, container, copy the inner HTML, pop back over here, paste that in there. You can see that affected my icons up there, but It was just a quick web developer tool. It's not actually saved anywhere, so I'm going to go ahead and save that guy. Now you can see it scrolls there. It's beta, and it's under really heavy development too, so, and I don't have quite enough time to do test-driven development. And like I said, it's supposed to be short and sweet. So you can see how that works pretty good. We'll go ahead and say it's a cool bootstrap template. And we'll hit save on that. And you can see it's all working pretty smooth, especially for only being a week old. I'm going to go ahead and you can see you cannot delete the home row. That took a little bit of extra code to make the home row kind of a special thing, but it's worth it. I'm going to go ahead and delete that row. Now you can see that's gone. All of this is instantly updating on every client too, so if you fix a typo, it's going to update right in front of your client's little face. I'm going to go ahead and stick in the subscribe template. And this is actually the default template right there. I don't know, I've never seen that happen before, but now we'll scroll to that. And another bug right now is you got to hit the refresh button to refresh the page to get the contact thing to show up properly. We'll scroll up to that. You can see up here you can edit this or delete it. This is vertically centered. Could have a little fixer right there, but if you scroll down here, go down to the end, you got a nice little scroll to the top. You're back at the top, go to the subscribe, back to the top, back to the subscribe. We'll test out the subscribe. You can see you got a flag there telling you it's required, and a nice placeholder telling you Twitter handle or email is required. So you can throw in, say, nothing, and that'll do nothing. Or you can throw in a handle like I do Meteor, and that's totally valid. But if they keep going and try to throw a buffer overflow or something, it tells them that's invalid because Twitter handles can only be 15 characters. You can also put in just about anything for an email address because it'll allow you to do, say if you have this on an intranet, you could do, you know, postmaster at a local host or, you know, mailer. In case you want to run it on an intranet app, I don't know, email addresses, you can, if you put it in a quote, you can put just about anything in the front. So it's best then be liberal. I do track IP addresses, and all of these should be unique, although I haven't quite gotten to that. So we'll go ahead and stick that in. I'll make it nice. Stick the I do Meteor, hit get updates, boom, and I've got a little template changing going in right there. I haven't, this is just a beta, I haven't even made a website with this yet. Nobody has used it, so bear with me. Like I said, I'm trying to do this basically right now as quickly as I could. However, bear in mind that given that I did not sacrifice and give up on security, there's no auto-publish and no insecure package installed. It is using a pretty strict set of deny rules. So we're going to go ahead and hit page, back to page 1, subscribe. What else can I show you? There's got to be, oh, I was going to go over here. I'm going to have to cancel that. And show you how quickly you can change the entire look and feel of the website. Like I said, I did have to, because as you can see right here, it's a less file that I'm changing. So Meteor has to completely recompile its whole system because that less file changed. So once we get Meteor back up and running, boom, that was actually pretty quick because I took the time to flush my swap and restart my profiles. Now you can see we have a nice sexy website that has different colors on the different backgrounds, a different fixed background image here. So you can scroll. I haven't integrated parallax scrolling yet, but you can see that it actually works really good, just as well as just about anybody else's little one-page scrolling website. And now I can have a site about Meteor, and it doesn't have to run on WordPress because I refuse to blog about WordPress using a Meteor, blog about Meteor using a WordPress site. So anyways, you can go ahead and log out. One more time, you can look at that authentication area. And thank you very much for checking out One Page Wonder. It is, as you can see, just about 4:20 in the morning there, and I've been up for a really long time. So what I'm going to do is write some documentation. I am going to put this up on GitHub in the morning. So, well, maybe not in the morning, but in the afternoon. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can make some money off of it, because I certainly need to. Have a great day. Where did I put that little screen? There we go. See ya.